about Apple? The Apple Card will boost Goldman Sachs revenue. All right, Goldman Sachs' recent partnership with Apple's new credit card should bring in billions of revenue annually. Apple Card will only be sold in the United States, but has the potential of expanding globally, increasing their total addressable market over 9 times. It's not like Apple doesn't already have money, right? And now, with this Apple Card, not through a bank, well, through Goldman Sachs, mixing up together with Goldman Sachs, the Apple Card is seen as a status symbol and will have a plethora of unique features, driving in millions of users to use the Goldman Sachs sponsored card. So not only is Apple going to benefit from this, but it's also going to be Goldman Sachs, which is a very interesting combination, GS. Got a lot of stocks to put into a watch list today. All right, so that's big news on Apple. That's going to move both the Apple stock as well as Goldman Sachs. And man, that's something to keep your eyes on. Apple with the new card in a channel. This could be the catalyst that breaks Apple out of this channeling range, make it hit higher. RT is above the value of 1, but still coming off of higher levels that were gained on 7/31 of 2019, where RT was sitting at 1.37. It's still above the value of 1, but not as strong in an uptrend as it was here. Look at that move. This is a smart indicator, folks, that not only tells you if the stock is in an uptrend or not, but how strong it is. The higher above 1 it is, the stronger in an uptrend it is. As the market or the stock started moving sideways, so did RT. So did RT. These are indicators that only you will have as a VectorVest subscriber, and these indicators give you an added edge in being able to make the right decisions on any stock that we track. And remember, we track over 8,300 stocks in our database. Remember, all of these stocks have RTs above 1. Goldman Sachs, with the addition of utilizing the Apple Card, I think that this stock's got a lot of upside potential. It really does, and I'm going to tell you, this is probably a stock you really want to keep your eyes on going forward because of the advent of the Apple Card and using only Goldman Sachs. This stock has got a lot of upside potential. A lot of upside potential. It's currently above the 20-day exponential moving average, and RT is above 1. So those are two good things. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. Now, if you're new to the software or would like refresher information about the software, click on this Getting Started video right here. Thanks to all of your input, here's a YouTube video that we think would be perfect for you. Click right here. If nothing else, folks, just hit the subscribe button right here.